Got it, yeah? Right guys, so here's my chili garlic fried rice and my chicken and aloo curry. Just gonna plate it up like this and go enjoy this now, guys. Hey guys, how's it going? It's Babel here from the Bengali Cook. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by and watching this recipe. Let's get the camera ready for you. There, and that'll be a good angle. Right, you can see that I have got the pre-cooked chicken there. I've got the base gravy and I've also got the ingredients. So what am I cooking today, guys? I am cooking a very straightforward British Indian restaurant style, so the BRI dish, chicken aloo curry. I'm going to make it slightly Madras hot because, you know me, I like my hot food. So having said that, guys, we're going to crack on with cooking. Before I do that, guys, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe and comment below. As you know, the more you engage positively with our channel, guys, it really helps us grow our channel and bring you more recipes for the future. Right, that's enough. Let's crack on. So what we have here is our standard recipe. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll let you know as I cook. So heat's on. Let's put our oil. Standard one, just under 1 chef spoon of oil. Generally, you don't have fresh chopped garlic. You normally have the paste, but I am liking having fresh garlic in my curry. So I'm going to add some garlic in here. There's about two cloves of garlic in there. I do find that it gives it that bit more of a garlicky punch in there rather than the paste. Just going to get a pinch of methi ready. There we go. So it's starting to change colour, the garlic, so we're going to add our methi in there. I've got some onion. So again, probably just a tablespoon of chopped onion. Got the salt bay, pinch of salt. There we go. Just wait for the onion to slightly caramelise before we start adding all our other bits and pieces. Okay. Onion has softened. Tomato puree goes in. There we go. I've got 1 teaspoon of mixed powder as well as 1 teaspoon of chilli. If you want to use less chilli, guys, you can do, because the standard BRI chicken curry, it's just medium flavoured. So I'm making it hot because it's hot. What we do now, we cook our spice out. The garlic infused and it smells so good already, guys. Just a tiny bit of base. Again, one of the beauty of this recipe, guys, you can follow it along. I won't be editing this video because there's no need to. You could just do with the timing as I cook, as I put things in, you can just do the same as well. Got my pre-cooked chicken, so I'm just going to add some in here. How many pieces shall I have? Let's go restaurant portion. So let's do 6, 7 pieces. Yeah. 6, 7, and let's just get some of the masala from there as well. There we go. So I'm just cooking this curry. I've just made the chili garlic fried rice. If you haven't seen that video, guys, go ahead, check that video out. I am going to have this chicken aloo curry with that chili garlic rice. Great combo. There's a lot of heat coming out from the rice, from the curry as well. So you can see it's catching, which is really good. So give it a good nice little spray. And this process is you are cooking the spice really well, guys, so this is important. Let's go with a bit of coriander. So it's been a couple of minutes, our spice has been cooking, so the next part to do now would be to add our final layer of base gravy. Almost forgot, let's put our potato in there now as well. So these are Bombay aloo pre-cooked. Almost forgot the aloo in the chicken and aloo curry. That would be good with it. Right, so it's ready for a final layer of base gravy. So again here, add as much base gravy you would like to, depending on how saucy you want the curry to be. Personally, I like it medium thick, so that's what I'm going to go for. Couple of chilies I'm going to go in. And coriander. Zoom in for you guys, check out the colour of this curry, guys, absolutely amazing. The chicken aloo curry, restaurant style, right there for you. Remember, there's no editing on this video, guys, so you can just follow it along as I'm cooking. So the oil has started to rise to the top. Give it a quick mix. So I'm just going to get rid of the excess oil. I normally use the oil from the base gravy. I forgot to put it in, so I just use the normal oil. One other thing about oil is obviously the less you have is the better, but if you do put too much in, don't worry about it, because you can always scoop them out, so it's no problem. And just like that, guys, our chicken aloo curry is ready. I don't want to make it any more dry, and I don't want it any more saucy, so I'm just going to turn the heat off and go ahead and enjoy this recipe now, guys. Well, enjoy the curry rather. Alright, let's get this one down here. How's that for a restaurant size portion? Get it bang on, right? Okay. Give coriander to garnish, and that's it, guys. That is our, let's zoom in for you, chicken and aloo curry, Madras hot. I've got it, so happy days. Hey guys, don't forget, if you haven't, guys, please do hit that like, subscribe button, comment below, let us know what you think and what recipes you've tried and you will be trying next, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care.